Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Citizens Bank mobile banking application right on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go and tap open your Play Store or your App Store to begin. In the search box, type in Citizens Bank and search. Look for this application that says Citizens Bank Mobile and press the download button to begin the downloading process. Now wait until the application gets downloaded right on your mobile device, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. So always be sure to be connected to a stable internet while downloading the application. Now once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button that pops up right underneath the app, and that is how you can easily download the Citizens mobile banking application right on your mobile device and start banking whenever you want and wherever you are. That is how you can easily download the Citizens Bank mobile banking application right on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.